But once you are a participant, there is a possibility that you can win.
Okay.
For tournament, I bar. Ubetima Yusu, okay, Greece tournament. Was it Otoriaga and I saw Twicefield? Ediom Ebaye.
Yeah.
Ebeji, you know. Sometimes you can go in for that. There is that possibility that a country be a less fancy team can win. Observing me two me Ghana ni say Nyame Adomna on the 13th. AFCON Ishas here. Near you on the 11th. That Black Stars of Ghana winia. I think good news. 87.9. But the Biamekacho say it is our job to be objective, and we are going to subject question here Ubusai to objectivity. It as an analyst, as a sports pundit. Say Ubusai me question say squad na Ghana area be tuja ade ko AFCON. Coach kwa Ghana they call AFCON. Emma Ghana ebe one of the favorites to win the AFCON. Meye or true for say me catch say I Ghana a favorite to win the AFCON. I've already established say yes, there is a possibility that Ghana can win because Ghana eka 24 nations now eko tournament no, and once we are part of the 24 nations now, and as we are one of the participants now, we have probability be say by 1/24, so you have a certain chance of winning. But now let's zoom into it and do some critical analysis of the situation.
Okay.
First of all, Ghana, your recent performance ever AFCON, and your recent games are your results, no. At the same, 87.9. We want to put the argument in perspective. You see, there are seven. A twins and any. Ni na ya jibre pebre. And the analyze ya 7 years.
Okay.
So, Yamfa, the last AFCON, last one, the Black Stars were booted out in the group stages. First round. Wow. Ghana played 3 games, no win, 2 defeats, and a drawn game. Ghana came home with 1 point.
Wow.
Sanko Wachi Echo AFCON 2019. So AFCON 2021, I born 2022. No, Ghana Efrimo group stages. Oko Wachi Bakwa, Oko Piemo AFCON 2019. At the AFCON 2019, Ghana Efrim the run of 16 to Tunisia. And also Ghana we need 1 game per at that tournament. 1 game. And a Ghana win here.
Okay.
Kwachi ekwese 2017. Your last 3 tournaments I have on. Graph will be able to draw beyond Ghana city performance no taking nose dive. And speed now I did descend no. Economics for we are decreasing at an increasing rate. Ghana performance at the AFCON. Decreasing at an increasing rate. The speed now they ever from because Ghana yana Abraham Grant at the above finals of the AFCON.
That was I think 2015.
15. It's from 2015. No? The next time was 2017, and your performance I knew 2015. 2019, the answer performed 2017. Wow. And 2021, the performed I take a nose diver. The speed at which we are decreasing, we are decreasing at an increasing rate. That is the sort of team I analyze. And you have to do all these analysis. And sana, what the Ghana nina wo muno. Because oh yabeche obia, oh yabeche. I am quite surprised. Nam pese mi tie kat for so dey am kat say panyini kasa bi am sa pese mi tie asem no kan. Because na ye fie ya na na yete. Yeah. Ana Ghana ko free our AFCON 2021 which was played in 2022. The FA president sneaked into the country at dawn. At that time, head of sports. Yes, head of sports, Edema Media General Group head of sports, Juliet. Now Juliet is so surprisingly free Yaoundé. eti Juliet ne shia ket 2 a.m. ɛwɔ Yaoundé airport hey owura na ha to he kofi so Cameroon su ne Ghana dem say less than 1 hour flight na zo aba bedru na so onua bewura mu wie na Raf nom danso nom Steve nom Pepe Monia bre obi e ka bi he bi enye perform ene ye fe president ne say se muni Messi ni Ronaldo bi a yam form ankwa come and tell us. Wow. So me pese me tie say has the FA president identified a Messi and a Ronaldo so that FA president ba ko no pese o kire say your quality nye de deserve yan se be film no because ye ni Messi ni Ronaldo bi a yam form ankwa. This time ye nya Messi ni Ronaldo bi de aka squad no ho ana e na ama FA president e confident say afa de o see you bet my tournament nana.
Nice question.
After telling you, sir, this is the Black Stars that played 2015 AFCON finals. 2017, the Black Stars played, I think, in the quarterfinals. 2019, round of 16, they qualified. Andrew, first time on a calf, and they got 24 nations. Who qualified with the wild card as third place best team, and you could share Tunisia and you film penalties. And at the last one, you free our group stages. And from finals, no, ya ba besi baby group stages you free. Eh, nation I analyze na. Abusia osha from say. And you know, for me to sit here and say, Black Stars budget tournament. No, me for Black Stars and conquer tournament. Okay. Again, Ghana any team other nations are and Kitwa relatively smaller nations by football terms. We are unable to beat them, especially when we play home away from home. Till see any more ball or more minds why any more ball na Japan. Okay. And Sabakaya, the problem of Black Stars are facing since 2008 and the intimate AFCON. Abusiana say intimate say omo AFCON intimate show. Tubaka 2008 Yesia Cameroon the semi-finals. Na sad mistake na Colorado in the RAF ebisi nementase. John Mensah took an intelligent red card. Because if John Mensah had not brought down Peter Osasi or them wingy, Ghana will be out of the tournament. Yes. And Ghana, Keti, the late Manuel Agogo, Ego, Yase Nigeria, and qualify for semi-final. And the coach taking decision say the best unit of the Black Stars at the time now your midfield no or we can no because when you Michael said now go number 5 and we say team no. Oh yes, every number 6. Yeah. Akobo number 5 and all them say Ahmed Ampema Baruso the zeros am ya dey cheru. Eh man pa I don't know como Torino nyina serious am ya dey. And all dey enti say na say team no. Enti we say Cameroon and you free in 2008. Yeah. Who's the winner Amaso? 2010 Yakobo finals Egypt they say I am telling you about omo ani ntimi show omo those days no. Egypt I say in 2010 Angola in the finals. Yeah. Yakobo 2012 the Christopher Katongo Mulidi Zambia Mombaje. Yeah. And also Bakaya, we lost in the semi-final. In Ghana, the a constant stay in the semi-finals. You have a semi-final. Now, so you bought tournament in you to us. You bought 2012, you bought 2013. And no, you're not Burkina. Ref in a boy, yes, you see Burkina Samba semi-final. Emma ref after the tournament, carve the 6 months ban. Emma, Zamukaya. You're banning because Bon Wodino. Now, during as a Ghana, the winning game. And also, you have semi-final. And I was about 2015 and you bought final beam and to your trajectory no or draw sa graph now a semi-final final you free 2015 you na court 17 19 21 no after you free final in 15 17 quarter 19 round of 16 22 21 I born 22 group stages.
Wow.
Diminishing returns. Me say economics for the catch say Ghana is decreasing at an increasing rate because the rate now you see from no buso banyi ehu etade ya to e na wo koto from uye no free ma share teams na any omabo in recent times it have established the India ya nya afcon no time na ye gina so no ne ntime nse omo je yeye no and na buja panyi omo form no apart from say any ball e krom ni a struggle na nanti so da bi enzizi omo obi a hye ne bi no enzizi Angola for last minute goal, Central African Republic last minute goal, Madagascar last minute goal.
Home.
Yeah, South Africa na amate koto mamponku muje penalty ni enya penalty ni abo. Oyi no free mabuja ba si took free kroima. Tie oya Ghana ni na utima the last time Ghana Black Stars share a nation away from home Sao Tome and Principe.
Wow.
And they are the only nation in recent times that home and away Sao Tome and Principe. Sao born cross Sao Tome for hono so boy. Na sada no ye ball match no ba kunu na bogus ne o manzo monko. To mo munya bi mo no so mo kaya. And the ball into no more position of Black Stars and you could win this game. Ya ni Sudan abo away ya nse no. Ya ni Ethiopia abo away ya nse no. Ya bo Comoros away ya nse no. Ya bo Madagascar, Central African Republic, Angola. Na de sorry ka kan say for no Central African Republic for. Ya ni omo bo Angola home. Because omo stadium bi enu a omo ya nse omo.
Wow.
You will not sit anywhere. Into me person the analysis am here president aye dey be say. But unim say ubuza coach Chris Hilton. Among person be face press. Ubuza na say ko jafo baka just say no. First time oba en buza ye question no SG coach Ghana yenye AFCON for 40 something. Oh, so that's not why I'm here. I'm here to build a team that will be winning matches gradually and then begin to be challenging for trophies.
So how do you access our team?
My assessment, fair assessment, there's a Black Stars, no. They should be good enough to make it from the group. Because there is a wild card. In India, one qualifier na humpao. Okay. Unim say AFCON ba kora qualifying. Teams na first. Yeah. 12. And here for 30 for 4 be come na 16. Uti 16 free 24 ma. Abusabaka say. Ti 8 na anya de pa na ya ka ho. Asam de man ye hunu say 8 24 na coin no. Emu 16 ko na nimo. 8 na be na ka 8 na nya de no.
Wow.
We should be good enough to be part of the 16 na be corano 16.
Why do you place the Black Stars?
On Black Stars na performance na ko ese Ghanaian team oko Africa ose. Use brofu bi. Match after match. The Black Star ni there. Ti see them the Black Star but to say Black Star will make it from the group. So Black Star make it from the group based on your possible opponents be be ni ehia any of the sides no mo AFCON in recent times na ye nko ye nimbi. Si ehia mid table countries in Africa abusuan ye nko ye nimbi ene se ko hia Guinea na sew Girosai mu agina mu a Ghana untimi ne mo. Your strikers ni nyina go so kabo ma say akwa no we goes a watch o Stuttgart o kabo ma say nti no kwasam say Ghana good enough see you be make it out of your group no near the round of 16 meet me the Ghana.
I'm watching you live from Italy. Happy New Year. Akoma Sports Terry G and all the way Abba Jet was 7.9 Seraph Black Stars scored no washe other nations. Where do you place our Black Stars?
Placement. Mamencha Kwabena Jantwa or Sewenya ko.
Yeah, I saw his message.
Yeah, on it Derek Ohene Chematin. Honestly, Mam Tech. I think Pepe analysis of the Black Star situation is spot on.
Sure.
The reality of the matter is that the Black Stars 1980s, 70s in the world, you are likely to say your tournament, your AFCON will do well. But say open cho wana uti wana o kai o say ye Black Stars no a descendia babedu leveler. So opesa we a very realistic analysis. Ye level no ni Central African Republic ni Comoros. No, we are not even good enough. Say Comoros a World Cup qualifier. near Kaiser Sawaka na ye boy ye all like when in yes be a friendly be near try near book competitive ye boy all you know ma say.
Wow.
That is the level of the Black Stars. Timi hu se Keta Mike omna ebra na akwane be announce squad na Keta Mike na o call it massive support from Ghanaians. We are going to win with the support of the of Ghanaians. We would. Akoi, have you forgotten? So I mean, in fact, Cameroon the other day, it was so embarrassing. Almost a dream baby na Milo.
7.9 Kumasi.
No, like it was. So no, and the last game, no. No, they didn't want him to, but they just no only option. It was so embarrassing. Say, Comoros coach ni bufui. Say, I die no more question for go. No referee na ready nyankopon.
Comoros.
No, mu Japan na Comoros. HC referee said they should have allowed them to
annihilate the Black Stars.
Yeah, we have falling. So this is the reality. When it comes to potential, your team knew potential.
Okay.
But you see, we will be an anchor translating potential into performance. Before the appointment of Chris Hughton, a lot of us were very optimistic. Makajo said, "Upo be in recent times, coach and the work ethics was slow pa." Any Chris Hughton, work ethics say opepanic ahofama yedi adwuma de akwani will be. But results clearly has proven say he's not learning. In fact, as a technical advisor of the team, as a coach, head coach of the team, and you back turning up into games. I don't know your boy, your last game, your boy, na you lose Comoros. Yeah, trader spaces be. Fento Tahiru, and myself, and near about 5 pundits, and some trader spaces. Analysis, no. Yen crana sports pundits. Yen to me, the problem of the team. The animal was a did the Mukuta papers? Did the Mukuta board playing board? What Mukuta
facts,
but they don't seem to know the problem. We end up turning up into games. It's the reason why I know that money I can't lamtas. I'm not be a bit to because you the problem of the Black Stars. No, you realize that anytime Majid Ashmero back game anymore, he comes to change the game. You start the game now. No bench Majid Ashmero. Osman near you bear games man or name paints a bad games man. No my best is a game. You start the games now. No matter na bench. And when we are chasing games on tries of beko games, you say yeah ko impose who in the game to win the game for the opponent to chase the game rather than to be cautious. And yeah lose the game no. Now fair na all the people who can change the game. Opening. The reality of the matter Minyaya can win be after 41 years. Name mum. And what in a kutaya based on analysis. Track record I do come. Coach I didn't connect the watch the actually say I feel maybe I'm penny for no say opening baby I want the fine, but everything points to the fact that yen lower your expectations. You can almost surprise here. We'll be very happy.
Saraf, was it Dutch African football? This makes Africa so special. Higher percentage of African footballers abroad played on this kind of pitches. Africans can't lose our culture. Collins Jr. and Odiwe Abba. I'm Cosby, watching you live from Kwamo. This is fantastic sports. More fire. Thank you very much. Jetwaso, Corrado, Black Stars squad na ene da wo no. Wo share tournament na ye kwona. Ghana ye be doing.
Seraf wasim bi otaka.
the Chelsea we know and then the Chelsea we have. Person me used to know now when they come in there no. The Ghana we know and the Ghana we have. Enyepe.
Okay.
Ghana na ebusuya menu nyina na eni momo no de. Anka ye koi. Ya nya de kura nke semi finals. Ane de ni enim no. But Ghana na ye nyina ye wo no ye Ghana Comoros ase ne back to back. Ghana na ye nyina ye wo no ye Ghana. Ye ne Central African Republic bobo wia ni ko timi nya kokoduro e wo Ghana fie ka kire ye se AFCON na mo kono. A bit disastrous class in the last one of his above phone and boy no. Na mugo no kwa offside go. Ma boy papa bia ampa so dan near born enye. Until the Ghana we have na busuya mania den whenever you are discussing them.
Wow.
E busuya no kura wo mu se oba kwatwere wasi. No yi F9 in chase. Ni nyina wa fail. Now man ko register for remedial on taxing say ni nyina nkonya A1 oyesa awanya realistic ama oba no
87.9
so ba ko twere was na ni nyina wanya F9 nko na also oh okay school do ha yesi remedials no me good pa kono ko register ho na ma no ko register and tax oba no so nkonya F1 nkonya A1 wo homra da bi because oba no nya F9 just wa bon pa enti wo no pe bi be C5 bi C4 bi why ade pa no kra miracle e B3 but A1 de emani mautrim enti abuja me meti ai say A1 performance say Ghana permit ma kwaje de me ni mitrim
okay
me no kura ba ko pe say Ghana pa ba je abuja me eni mitrim mom say Ghana gia one of the miracles see e 2024 eno no na say matwere de ato say anwasem afi esie ba ko ne say Ghana ko AFCON na Ghana etimi age enti it is possible mathematically. Once a Ghana countries are qualifying on Kwade, so the mass for one bet Nancy the pension Monsama, betting me work among the possibilities. Oh, 1 out of 24, what checkable bar Ghana count. But I was you no crepe home say, Timune crying. Me dear, me my mistakes no any high, Debbie. May low. Say near I alone no na players need to me surprise me. Maybe a Ghana could do semi-final. Maybe a Ghana could do final bia. Aha, or na mafa. But pass from the start, many surgery and the pass and when we Ghana equate a quadrille, a bushia debbie. So now we try fire team now. Even under the new coach Chris Hughton, Blasters no emphasis.
Okay.
No crop on Mr. Chris Hughton best of Bushia. I can be was say. Ni coach now oil in the Jumana oil. And no to other the any difference ni say the nimbe bresa enti Chris by na busu say dan fine so for a team I am mre wanya new coach ni buy ensa so fire no me nya gidi o say team ni kwa do semi final o do final na mpo kwa kwaje enti me de so we in group na ebusu bia na Ghana yere ne ho na ye di second bi because Egypt dey baby so Mo Salah makura na Egypt be topic so Mo Salah ka so makura na Egypt be topic group no na bia Ghana di second bi ana e bia third no na ye points ne ye kakra na ye timi de ho no afrim but ye free ma opponent na ye be sia Ghana no e na be kire se menya gidi ana menya gidi ye free ne ekosia omo ya de kakra na ebusuya ne nyina ne ebafi emom ye frim na se koye countries here wo fomi bi na bi ono so miraculously ono so timi etop in group na ono so timi free ma ebusuya na ho manya gidi kakra etini pa de group stage na ne bi Ghana free ho me ho ne ba bi asisi ya me we AFCON na me we no
Correct so and out in Ghana anti Messi wo se one o group Mwagada mutie show no yadama say nyame ensham. Good evening to you Auntie Messi. Good evening to you all my lovely people. I'm watching you live from Germany. More fire. Happy New Year to you all. Isaac Akromastivo. Last time squad no ended that no. And now the Evremu group A. One me who more Ghana wo show your team net that one na realistically and a Ghana could do.
We should focus on how to qualify from the group stage first, and then your target for the whole thing is we should try and qualify from the group stage. Because
how do we do that?
I would say a technical team, no, a build a system and she goes because you're born in she goes. and tournament so be win you go anymore it goes near the determine and group na finding yourself no say Osha Equatorial Guinea Bissau na I was saying players are equally betimi match up to near Blasters betimi aye in the ancient BB from the Ecosia the last tournament in a group with the Comoros Ayentimi and qualify ancient BB from the fact that in recent games against countries we ranked 129th 38th Ghana struggle a struggle pa this is to me I understand how to nego because I did when I watch even 2019 ye timi share Guinea Bissau no ya show be abi ya Cameroon group we timi and show be and Tunisia e free and we have a problem we have a problem I was here a solution to but say you're very objective saying say Ghana akwaje tournament no abusuya bia now can out of your head coach no bia do AGFA president and I say nia unya free obi or directly connected with adwuma no mo ya the Blasters no but say we very objective now I can send a Blaster state net here I don't think say any body understand the football no need any game net here no need the level of game no anyini akodru no will make that bold prediction say unless say one who be anyway in here beyond the team but all can football now discuss games even from the World Cup before the World Cup to this stage me feel say Ghana enye bibi stronkun bia a shame cry say and as a marriage mu say based on the ye say Ghana bet me akọ all the way akọ wini but say American say and try see bet me a winning your games no our group stage no near take it from there because now you struggle you need team who are tournament to qualify from group at the World Cup we couldn't qualify at the AFCON you team and qualify and at the last the tournament before the two tournaments no anko ye into how do you put yourself in the bracket of omo betimi akoji into yen say Guinea Bissau Guinea so be qualify yen so yen say bi and not necessary because you born now you players we and one thing is that players now do ma ball qualifiers in any other match ye hu omo oppositions ni omo nye X factor bi anim. There's no extraordinary thing about any of our players in Tia or national team and unti so Guinea Bissau be shia Ghana obohu ebi ni hobim and inti abusia mesraw so obi can be say ye be ja onya botre
the head coach any technical team members no omo voices no be ba na for yasa to asofuo ko kamara nyame adom atena yebesa topic we so me the FA president the head coach and technical team members no omo voices no beba facha me ko kamara nene senka me no di nkomo nyame adom atena yebedi sa nkomo no Kennedy Ken ene your birthday